Hello, my name is Terry Neiswander-Hager, and I'm a candidate for the Clerk of Court in Pulaski County. I would like to thank the T.G. Howard Community Center for giving me this opportunity to tell you about myself and my campaign. I've lived in Pulaski County my entire life. I graduated from Pulaski County High School and furthered my education in business management at New River Community College. I've been married to Carl Jefferson Hager for 29 years, and we have two sons, Bailey and Mason. Bailey graduated from Pulaski County High School in 2019 and will be graduating Radford University in December. He is a full-time paramedic working for Montgomery County, and Mason is an 8th grader at Pulaski Middle School. Jeff and I are small business owners here in Pulaski County, in the town of Dublin, and also in Radford City. I am currently the Master Deputy Clerk in the Circuit Court, and I have over 20 years experience working in the clerk's office, and I would like to continue to serve Pulaski County citizens. People walk into our office every day looking for information and assistance. It's my job and my privilege to help them. I enjoy being a working clerk and will be a working clerk if elected. As a deputy clerk, I swore on an oath and faithfully to impartially support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of Virginia. This isn't a job about politics, it's about public service. The Clerk of Court is a locally elected official who records and retains legal documents and who serves as a constitutional officer upholding established Virginia laws. The Circuit Court judge presides over criminal and civil cases, and our office handles administrative matters for the court. The clerk creates and maintains all court files, jury lists, records, and prepares court orders. We issue summonses and administers court processes. Circuit Court clerks do not give advice on legal matters or interpret the law. We follow the established practices outlined in the state constitution. The clerk acts as a custodian of records, but we also perform a variety of duties that aren't judicial. We issue marriage licenses, concealed handgun permits, we administer oaths for local officers and elected officials, we do notary commissions, we accept and process passport applications, we record deeds of trust, real estate, liens, and releases. All of these documents are crucial to sales and property rights here in the county. In the past 3 years, our office has annually averaged issuing 1,865 marriage licenses a year, 1,135 concealed handguns permits in a year. We've processed 141 passport applications. We've handled probate 253 wills and estates in a year. We've recorded 4,746 land records. We've commenced 1,865 criminal cases and 448 civil cases, including adoptions. And we've done 73 notary commissions in a year and administered numerous oaths of office for officers and elected officials. All citizens are stakeholders in the court system. We do not cater to a particular group of individuals or businesses. We are a nonpartisan office. State audits confirm that under the supervision of a non-attorney clerk, there has been no loss of revenue. The Circuit Court actually produces revenue for both the county and the state. Fines collected in our court are paid into the state treasury to credit the state literacy fund and are primarily used to fund educational programs in Virginia. Throughout my 21 years, I have been instrumental in developing and modernizing many important aspects in the clerk's office. We work with 28 electronic systems used on a daily operation in the clerk's office. In 2014, we implemented a paperless office project. And this system is called our case imaging system, and it improves employees' efficiency and record accessibility. So the deputy clerks can access essential records at each workstation. We also installed a newly internal security system to cover all areas of the clerk's office. Other systems that we use on a daily basis is the Judicial Information System and the Officer of the Court Remote Access. This enables judges to view case information in the courtroom, and attorneys and their staff can access civil and criminal files from their law offices. We do e-filing. This permits attorneys to submit cases filing directly from their offices. This eliminates the need to travel to the courthouse and allows them to use business credit card payments for simplifying their financial accounting. We have partnered with Simplifile. This is a national e-recording company to accept electronic filings of land records. This service increases the efficiency and saves time and money and comes at no expense to the county. By 2020, we had digitized all county deeds and will books so that they were available on a system called the Secure Remote Access. Digital access means less wear and tear on original documents, and while providing attorneys and title searchers greater access to documents from the comfort of their offices. I have helped revise the jury management system to ensure that all jurors are randomly selected, and we streamline notification of that juror so they can only have to call on the night prior to their service date. We've implemented video availability in the courtroom through web links. This reduces the need to transport defendants. This project was completed without cost to the county. I also plan to continue our internship program with the New River Community College and the Pulaski County High School. We've had great interns that went through our office. These advancements greatly increased worker efficiency and proved vital to our ability to keep the office operating throughout the COVID pandemic. Being the clerk of the circuit court requires institutional knowledge. This is not a position where you can simply walk into and effectively manage an office. Our clerks receive a training in completing numerous day-to-day responsibilities. Clerks need a minimum of 5 years of training before they become master deputy clerks, and oftentimes these positions are specialized only to certain departments within the clerk's office. During my 21 years in the clerk's office, I have worked in all these departments: criminal, civil, land records, probate. As the master deputy clerk today, I work as the office manager, a bookkeeper, a probate clerk, and I help with HR and grant writing. Brick by brick, I have learned how to manage all aspects of our office. All of this has prepared me to be your next clerk of court. With your vote, I can continue to build and modernize our office. Some of my goals for the office are expanding and improving our website to make it more accessible and informative for all citizens. The site will have links for divorce forms and modules and informative pages for every department of the clerk's office. We are an agent for the U.S. Department of State to process passports. One of my goals is to offer passport photos to be taken in our office for a small fee. This will produce revenue for our office as well as great customer service. Our office has received $260,000 for records preservations from the Library of Virginia. I will continue to preserve our county's history by applying for additional grants. Another goal is maintaining our commitment to excellent, friendly customer service. We're proud of the fact that any citizen can call during office hours and speak to a clerk without reaching a recording. Another goal, I would like to work with the local VFW and other veterans groups to make our local veterans aware that we record DD 214s free of charge. Scanning and retaining this information protects your military records for you and your family. To make these goals a reality and to keep experience working for you, I humbly ask for your support and the opportunity to continue serving our community as your clerk of court. I am Terry Nicewinder Hager, and I would appreciate your vote Early voting starts September the 22nd and Election Day is November the 7th. Thank you once again, T.G. Howard Center, and thank you for listening.